This is what it takes to run an enterprise lakehouse. Object storage, a Spark cluster, always on, catalog and lineage, access control, ingestion, orchestration, and a SQL warehouse on top. 7 services, or 1 native engine, a full Delta Lake on your laptop. No cluster, no JVM, and nothing is missing. Delta Lake and Apache Iceberg, read and written in place. 5 to 8 times faster than Spark on RADs. Ingestion is one command. Discover a path, get a queryable table. Role-based access control is built in, down to the column, with audit and lineage. And your BI tools connect through native drivers. It goes further. A property graph engine with Cypher, HU3 geospatial in SQL, and a built-in MCP server for AI agents. And when you outgrow the laptop, the same engine deploys to Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud, or runs as a managed service on the Azure Marketplace. You pay for active compute, not idle clusters. No overselling, 258 end-to-end use cases, over 10,500 machine-checked assertions, verified against Apache Spark, deltaforge, the lakehouse without the cluster tax. Get started at deltaforge.org.